Right, so I've just been into the park. I'm filming this part afterwards, so I'll put this on, and then it was videoed in 3 parts because for some reason, I'm not sure why, the first video was facing the wrong way, so I started it again, and then it was quite a long way into it. It just stopped recording. I don't know if I caught it with my finger, you know, the phone, or something went wrong with the phone, or I don't know what. But anyway, so there's like a short part after that as well. Anyway, so it's in 3 parts, but I'm going to put it together as one. So if it's a little bit, if it seems to jump, that's why. But it is all more or less, you know, in one go. It's just because the phone went off recording. Anyway, if you can listen out and tell me if you hear any voices or anything, and if you do, you know, put it in the comment section, and I'm going to, you know, watch it back myself after I've finished putting it together on the editing thing. It won't be edited very well. I'm not very good at editing, I'm afraid. It'll be very basic, so I'm just warning you. But anyway, yeah, I'll put the 3 bits together, and then I'll watch it and see if I can hear anything. And if anybody else hears anything, like I said, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, take a look and see what you think. Now I've come back again to make another video. I'm going the opposite way around this time. It's a bit earlier at night as well, but that shouldn't make any difference really. So I'll chip in every now and again, but I've got a torch now, so it might be a better video. Now I'm in the same place, so I'm going to see if I can pick anything up tonight. I'm going to go a slightly different way around though this time. See what I can see. And I've got a torch this time as well, so maybe it'll be better. Maybe not, I don't know. Right, I'm just going to take a minute to gather myself before I go any further in. Okay, I'm ready. Pulling my pants up, they're falling down. That's why the camera went a bit weird. Right, I'm going to turn the torch off for a minute or two and just the walls of darkness pressing a little bit. I don't mean to be over dramatic, but that's what I'm doing now, like Silent Hill, what can I say? Just so you know, that noise you hear every now and again, Here's a tram. I don't know when the next one is. I'll have to put the light back on now. I'm going up on an even path. Gotta clear my throat. Sorry. That was really weird. I thought somebody was stood behind me then for a second. I fully expected to turn around and be somebody there, and it still feels like there is now. I'm not going to walk, I'm just going to lay in. I mean, if there's somebody there, maybe they'll say something to this recording. I don't know, but I'm not going to ask it to. Probably just because it's... Well, I don't know though. Anyway, I'll be quiet now for a bit. Bloody pants keep falling down, it's annoying. by that tree there. I don't know if you can see it. I could have swore I saw something then. That was really strange. I don't think you can see it, but there's nothing there now anyway. That was weird, that was. It was like something in front of the tree, like it jumped inside the tree or something like that. I don't know if my eyes are playing tricks on me, but I've just got this feeling, and I turned around and that's what I thought I saw, at least. God, this is going to be hard to walk down here now. This might have been a bad idea. Oh well. If the phone suddenly, like, drops, you'll know why. I'm hearing funny noises now. I don't mean funny ha-ha. Sorry, I didn't mean to swear. I'll try and go down this way. I don't feel like I want to be up here anymore. It's too muddy. I don't know what it was, but I heard like a noise like that. That was me doing it, like I thought. That's what it sounded like. Could have been an animal, I suppose, but I don't know. There it is again. Like something's following me. I can't see anything though. Actually, I will ask a question. I don't normally do this, but I will make an exception. On the other video, you said, I know. I know. What do you know? Could you tell me that, please? There you go. That mist, by the way, is me breathing like that. Yeah, I'm going to go out the back gate anyway. I was going to walk around again. No, I don't. I just feel it feels more intense than it did last time. Like there is something following me, and I don't like that feeling. So I'm not that far off the end now. And I felt like that before in here. Don't like it. This might be the last time I come here on my own. It is the last time I come here on my own at night. That's an owl. Do you hear that? I don't know if that's picking up, but there's an owl. Don't know what kind. Bloody breath, I can't see through it. Yeah, this just stopped recording for some reason, but I should be able to put it together afterwards. I've got a new video editing thing. Caught it with my finger. There goes the owl again.
What are you doing? Oh, getting on the right.
That was a meeting of the local intellectuals of the town, by which I mean morons. Yeah, I'll come later next time. I'll have to put up with the morons. They didn't actually do anything, so I'm being a bit harsh, but just don't like groups when I'm on my own. Anyway, whatever. Last chance. You're gonna say it, say it. Okay. Okay, I'll look at these. There's 3 videos actually, but there's only one really long part of it, but I'll put them all together and see if I picked anything up later. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.